Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by King's House. This property is a part of the King's House area. We are by East King's House Road, and this is prime real estate. Now, it was suggested the other day that they should build a new Parliament building at this location and use National Hero Circle for something else. So guys, what do you think? Now, King's House is where the Governor General lives. The Governor General is the King's representative in Jamaica. Although Jamaica is an independent country, we are still, I don't know if ruled is the correct word, or we're still country. The head of state for Jamaica is the King of England. So if a bill needs to be signed into law, it's the Governor General who does it, not the Prime Minister. The Governor General would sign on behalf of the King. If Jamaica needs to declare a state of emergency, it's not the Prime Minister that signs it into law, it is the Governor General who signs it. But Jamaica is looking to become a republic, moving away from that system. So, we would not need the Governor General to do as he is now. So that brings up the question about all of this land. Now, this is just a part of King's House. There is another section, and we're going to show you that video later on, where the actual King's House is. Very nicely maintained. I was really impressed with how nice the house looks. This is just a part of the property. As you can see, it's just bush. So it was suggested that they should build a new Parliament building at this location. So guys, what do you think? Do you think they should use this land and build a new Parliament building? Now, to the right of where we are is King's House, where the Governor General is. That's where he lives and works. Beside that property is Jamaica House, and the office of the Prime Minister is also on the property for Jamaica House. So it's not to say they don't have government activities happening here. So this might actually be a very good spot for the new Parliament building. Now, the current Parliament building is on Duke Street, but it's old and has served its time. They need to build a new one. So they had suggested National Hero Circle. They had come up with a design, everything. And they put the project out to tender to get bids for somebody to build it. They got one bid. And that bid exceeded the budget for the building. So they are back at square one now, have to start over the entire process. Now the fact that they only got one bid probably means people just are not interested. So maybe they should scrap the idea of building that new Parliament building at Hero Circle and look at building it here on this property and just start the project over from scratch. So guys, let us know what you think. I mean, it seems like a waste to have prime real estate like this in Jamaica just idle. We're not against the environment, but there's a lot more land where King's House is. A lot more land that has a lot of green areas, so it won't have any major impact. And we're not saying to demolish King's House, keep it as a museum or give tours. Keep the house as is. But it's this piece of the property that has no structures on it that there was some suggestion of building a new parliament building. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think they should build a new parliament building here? One thing is for sure, with only one company, and this tender went out worldwide, only one company making an offer, we're not sure if that project will ever get going. And it has been on the books. The project to build a new parliament building at Hero Circle has been on the books for years. Every year you hear it's going to start this year, and hasn't really started yet. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.